Today I'm making fresh, sugar-free cranberry sauce. It's so easy, it only takes 10 minutes to make. Sugar-free cranberry sauce. You'll never buy canned cranberries again. I've got 12 ounces of cranberries, nice fresh cranberries. I'm going to throw in 1 cup of water. A teaspoon of lemon juice. And a teaspoon of orange zest. The exact recipe for this is below in the comments with all the ingredients. And here's some powdered erythritol. In we go. And I'm using better than stevia. It's just a liquid sweetener. And I've got a 1/4 teaspoon here. You can barely see it. It's really powerful. 1/4 teaspoon is equal to a tablespoon of powdered erythritol. And I've got this on a high heat. It's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. The cranberries are going to burst. There, that's up to a boil now. You can see how the cranberries are starting to split. And we're just going to evaporate this a little bit. There we go. I like that consistency. That looks really good. You can see how that looks like real cranberry sauce, not the canned stuff. Smells like Thanksgiving. I've sterilized the jar in hot water. And the filler, and my spoon. There you go. There's sugar-free cranberry sauce. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah. That's going to be really good Thanksgiving. You can adjust the sweetness if you like. I kind of like mine a little bit tart. There you go. Sugar-free cranberry sauce. Thanks for watching.